Chemistry review topic 24, solids, liquids, and gases. So here are some of the key concepts to understand about solids, liquids, and gases. Something to note, so let me just write this. Solid has an abbreviation like this. So if I have H2O with this symbol, that means solid. Aqueous, that means it is something that has been dissolved in water. Okay, so just as a note. So solids, definite or has a fixed or definite volume, but not a fixed or definite shape, and we don't consider it to be compressible. A gas takes the shape of its container, so it does not have a definite or fixed volume, and it does not have definite or fixed volume or shape, and it can be compressed, so we can squish it down into a small space. In a solid, the particles are arranged very close in a geometric pattern. Sometimes the word crystalline is used. Strong attractions, intermolecular forces between the particles, very orderly arranged, okay, particles close together, and they're just vibrating, okay. In a liquid, the particles are close, just not as close in a solid, and they can slide past each other, okay, and they have a moderate level of attraction between the particles. In a gas, the particles are far apart, they are moving around relatively quickly. They don't have a lot of intermolecular forces between them. And there you have it. That's a quick overview of solids, liquids, and gases.